everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a what I eat in a day to take you through some of the recipes that I've just been craving lately. Starting with breakfast, I'm going to make a soup this morning. This dish is called Opal squash soup. I grew up having this and my dad made it a little differently, so this is kind of my own spin to it. My dad is Chinese but born and raised in Vietnam, so growing up I had a lot of Vietnamese dishes in my life and I'm really excited for something warm in my belly. I'm only making a breakfast portion. I'm just gonna cut it in half and I'll save the rest for another time. Next, I'm going in with a peeler and I'm just gonna shave the fuzziness off of the squash. Next up, I'm gonna cut the melon into half moons. One slice down the middle and then cut. I'm going to take a pot like this and fill it up halfway. Next, I'm going to smash my 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna peel and cut my shrimp. Dump in my garlic and the shrimp. A little bit of salt. Gonna add in the squash. Shut the lid. The key to this recipe is really the fish sauce. I put it in almost everything that I cook. As you guys know, I don't really do measurements. I usually just eyeball whatever I cook. Of fish sauce. I'm just gonna dump that in there. A little bit of sugar. I'm gonna put about 3 little spoonfuls of it. I have some rice left over from last night and I highly recommend eating it with rice so that it's a little more filling. For lunch today, I wanted to try a kimchi fried noodle that I saw on YouTube, and I had all the ingredients. So what you'll need is some kimchi, some sort of ramen. I'm gonna use a Shin ramen because I love the thick texture of these noodles, green onion, and egg, and you also need some red pepper powder. Kimchi. Gonna add in some red pepper powder. I'm not gonna put too much because I can't really handle too much spice. Some soy sauce in there. Just eyeballing it. Noodles. Okay, let's try this. It looks promising. It smells really good. I think it would have been perfect if I used a little more of everything. More kimchi, more soy sauce. I also overcooked the noodles a little bit. Only took me about 20 minutes to make. Maybe even less. Maybe like 15 minutes. I love it. I really enjoy dinner. I'm one of those people that just love to eat at night. Tonight's dinner is gonna be very simple. It is egg with bitter melon. I'm going to have 2 eggs. I'm gonna use some sesame oil, maybe like a tablespoon. I think the sesame oil is what really gives it the flavor. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this mushroom bouillon. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So this little tiny teaspoon. First up, I'm going to fry up the bitter melon. I like to cook them for a few minutes. Once I see that they are getting a little translucent, that's when I add in the eggs, the egg mixture. And at this point, you're really just making an omelet. bitter melon is not even bitter at all. You do get used to it the more you eat it. Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you try out some of these recipes and let me know in the comments if you enjoy these videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!